Hello everyone, I'm Chen from Tsinghua University. My co-authors also include Zhangxin and Tu Jiangtao. Today, I'm honored here to share my research. Can daylighting receive more acceptance than artificial lighting at workspaces? New evidence from a field experiment in Beijing. As we know, daylight has significant effects on occupants' performances in an indoor environment, including visual and color comfort, alertness, mood, and work productivity. It has been confirmed by many previous studies. However, in a real space with both daylighting and artificial lighting available, how about the effects of integrated lighting on occupants? The question is definitely becoming more complicated. Therefore, an interesting question was raised. If a room is lit by a combination of daylight and electric lighting, what is the optimum balance of illuminance between the two sources? To answer the question, we conducted an on-site human experiment in an office, aiming to explore if daylight can always be accepted as the first solution based on occupants' alertness, mood, and visual comfort. Here are some details of the experiment. It was conducted in an office building in Beijing, lasting for 1 month from April to May. The right figure displays the room plan, internal layout, and dimensions. 26 occupants were recruited from the university students. Besides, the artificial lighting is adjustable in terms of illuminance and CCT by using a lighting control system. In this experiment, lighting was measured by a portable spectrometer and several wireless lighting sensors to achieve values of illuminances, CCT, at the table and near participants' eyes. The measurement was conducted by every 5 minutes. Well, in terms of the measures, the Karolinska sleepiness scale was used to assess the alertness, while the positive and negative effect schedule was adopted as the mood measure, including positive and negative effect. In addition, a self-reported visual analog skill questionnaire was applied at the same time to assess satisfaction and visual performances. As displayed in the protocol picture, in this experiment, 4 time sessions were used. Each session lasted 90 minutes. At the end of each session, occupants were required to complete the questionnaire mentioned above. Here are some descriptive results of the research. Briefly, the illuminance and CS values were pretty high for most of the time, which indicated a relatively high lighting level can be achieved. And it means the lighting condition is supposed to take positive effects on occupants' visual comfort and circadian systems. To quantify the amount of daylight and artificial light used during the experiment, 2 indicators are defined as follows. First, ED plus A is total vertical illuminance measured at eyes with both daylighting and artificial lighting, while RD is the ratio of vertical daylight illuminance at eyes over ED plus A. A Spearman correlation analysis was performed between RD and the feedback of key SS panels and self-reported questionnaire. For the reason of limited time, I'll only introduce the key results. First, for the key SS and the panels. The most important and interesting result is that increasing the ratio of daylight illuminance can significantly reduce the alertness level and negative mood. When it comes to the self-reported questionnaire, it was found that increasing the ED plus A can lead to a brighter space while lowering the perception of light color. On the other hand, increasing the ratio of daylight illuminance could reduce comfort level and light attractiveness. To summarize, There are three key conclusions in this research. First, more proper lighting condition was achieved. Increasing daylighting levels can always reduce negative mood, while the alertness could also be lowered. It seems increasing the daylight proportion may lead to more positive mood and relax. Second, the artificial lighting could be considered as a balanced tool to sustain both visual comfort and alertness. The artificial lighting is helpful, especially for object appearance. Last, a certain illuminous upper bound for human visual system is estimated to exist. In this experiment, when the vertical illuminance was above 500 lux, no correlations were found between the lighting levels and key SS scores PANAS and self-reported questions. Considering the similar findings in the previous studies, exploring and finding the upper bound may be helpful to both health lighting and energy efficiency. So that's all. Thanks for your listening. And if you have any questions or suggestions for this research, please contact me or my co-authors by the following email.